Guys, my name is Soska and today we're going to have a video about this new cube. This is the new VALK 4 and this is the strong version, so there we go. Okay, there we go, VALK 4M. So let's see. So this is it. Wow, nice premium box, and it's quite heavy. Oh, so stickless. So the reason why I bought this cube because simply I don't have a very good 4x4. I sold like all my good 4x4s, for some reasons, and so now I got a new flagship puzzle from Mofangi. Wait, what? Whatever. So this is it. Oh my god, so excited. So here is the cube. Okay, the VALK. I've heard a lot of great things about this cube, so I'm really excited. So there we go. Okay, we have some springs here. I don't know, is there like a stronger like springs or actually just spare strings? I mean springs. So maybe you guys can tell me about that. So this is it. Okay, let's check this cardboard first. So there we go. Okay, so we have the VALK cloth and some like a lot of cards. Wow, a lot of cards. Like wow, it's beautiful and it's like high quality. Bunch of matte VALK here. Wow, it's just beautiful. So we're gonna just leave it for here. So this is it. Wow, this is small. So there we go. Okay, so out of the box, this cube is like really heavy actually. I mean, like it's very tight. I'm gonna loosen this cube a bit because definitely have some minor catches problem, like which is not really serious, but like there are two magnets here, if you can see. They have primary internals, which is nice. And like overall, this cube is like the magnets are really like seriously strong. Like wow, I can like really feel that. And the outer layer is also really strong. Oh my gosh. And I like the smaller size because like you feel more compact. Oh god. Wow, this cube definitely has some like huge potential. Okay, so the feeling of this cube is, it feels like a VALK power, like as my friends told me. It feels like a 4x4 version of a VALK power, like basically a Wuchue, and like with the VALK power, it just became this cube, like a very soft feeling. Like it's very comfortable to actually turn this, and like it feels so crunchy, soft. And people said it's very fast, but I think the speed is basically perfect for me. Because I'm kind of a light turner, I can consider myself, so I won't really think it's too fast. And wow, okay, wow, this cube is really great. Like seriously. So I've tried an also GTS2 before, and it feels like kind of a similar feeling, but like not in terms of feeling, but the performance is quite similar. It's just like a Witcher and a VALK power, and then also GTS2, and just become this cube literally. So which is wow, nice combination. The magnets is just perfect. This cube is very stable. The color scheme is like as good as always, like a shade. Wow, like the 3x3 stage is gonna be awesome. Like without doubt, this is gonna be amazing. Maybe with more setup or breaking in, this cube gonna be like, wow, like amazing. And wow, this cube won't disappoint you, like really. This cube is like really great. Wow. Okay, let's just quickly check out this cloth. I hope that they print the VALK 4 word on it, so it's gonna be like more worth to keep it. So okay, so apparently they don't have it, but it's awesome that they print the VALK here, same as the one that you get when you buy a VALK power. And like nothing else, this a very nice box, and like there's nice cards here. Well, which is really nice. It's worth keeping, I believe. And wow, this cube is really nice. So maybe I can just make it looser a bit. So I have a screwdriver here. Just maybe make it a little bit looser. Yeah. And maybe here. Wow, it's like really tight. Damn. This is going to perform really great. Like I'm literally just very excited about this cube. Now this like blew out of my expectation. Like this cube performed better than I was expected, which is really amazing. Okay, so there we go. Oh my gosh. So after loosening up this cube, wow, this cube performed really great. The corner cutting like is like one of the best corner cutting I've ever seen for my entire life. Wow. So let me just grab my wheelchair to have a very simple comparison. Okay, so here this is the wheelchair, and like from seeing it, you can see this is much bigger, like from the wheelchair, and the performance is quite similar actually, but the feeling of it is just much better. Like it's a very soft, like VALK power. Like really, like just feel like VALK power 4x4, which is like really nice. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying to actually turn that. Oh gosh. So okay, so the speed of it is quite similar to this. Okay, this is much slower, but this is wow. Okay, there are not many loops on it. I think I'm gonna just put some maybe weight free or just Angstrom loop and just call it a day. And yeah, the mechanism is actually really similar to the wheelchair. Wow, it's like really similar. Oh my gosh. So, ooh. So let me just see it. Okay. Okay, so this definitely gonna be my main, like without a doubt, with great setup, great breaking in, this cube gonna be, wow, like an also GTS 2 killer. Because like previously, I think the also GTS 2 is one of the best 4x4 you can get in the cubing markets, but now this take over the place. Like seriously, this cube really good. Like oh gosh. I'm seeing that I can get a bunch of sub 50 soft, because like with this soft I always get like sub 50, 55 I believe, because this cube just become like too big for my hand. My hand is quite small and like, but like huge. I mean like it's really small, my fingers. So I think it's gonna fit me better when using this VALK 4 because it has a 16mm length. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a bunch of soft, maybe 100 soft, and I'm gonna set it up. So I'm gonna have a very quick update video, maybe in the future months, because I have a bunch of things to do. So this is the end of the video, and have a good day, guys. Bye.